Yo, good morning guys. It's the start of another video. As you can see, I got my guest in the back seat, Mrs. Bailey. She's ready for her morning 8 o'clock rides, always leaving her mom's house to go to dad's house. So letting the Subi warm up. You guys could definitely see it was a cold one last night, so we got ice everywhere. So I'm just gonna chill out with you guys for a minute. I'm gonna talk to you and wait for the Subi to warm up with Bailey in the back. So this video is supposed to be posted for Sunday. Hopefully I can get it all done for you guys, edit it, and get it up for you guys Sunday, because that's my schedule. I like to do every Wednesday and Sunday. But if I don't get to finish it and do it on Sunday, then this video will be up on Monday. But I am waiting for my car to warm up. I do want to say I am going to be doing the next video is going to be the 5 things I love about my STI. And then the video after that is going to be, I'm going to be ordering some parts for you guys for the car. So I know everybody's going to be excited for that. I'm having an issue to where I have the stock headers on my car, but I have a catless downpipe and the Tomei exhaust. So on the stock headers, my up pipe is, the heat shield around my up pipe is starting to come loose. So I brought it to the shop. They threw a couple tack welds on it to help it out. It was good for a couple months, but now it's starting to come back. So my car is starting to get like feedback knock at certain RPMs. So pretty much what that's telling me is it's time to do headers with an external wastegate. So I hope you guys are excited with that. But I'm about to start heading home, and I will catch up with you guys there. Peace. Yo, what's going on, my people? We are out here with another video. So just stopped at my job real quick. I had to pick up some chickens because, you know, your boy works in a restaurant, so I live off of tips, not a paycheck. Gotta love it. But I'm just gonna let my car warm up, hit the gas station, and then I'm gonna head over to my boy Ryan's crib, which is a Beemer boy, and I'm gonna try and get some snow drifting in. I'll show you. As you can see outside, we have got snow again. So you guys already know what that means. That means we are gonna be playing in the snow. So I'm about to grab some gas and link up with my boy. So I'll see you guys in a second. You guys already know the vibes. Shell all day, every day. The daily ritual. You want to get a Subaru, you got to get gas every day. That's just the way the cookie crumbles. And premium prices, man, they went up real good. I be paying like, let's see what this is right now. $3.19 a gallon. Sheesh. Oh man. All right, I'm gonna run inside. Go get this guy some nice buco bucks, and I'll see you guys in a sec. Woo. Look at this snowy girl. Man. Woo. Let's just see what $30 will get us out here. Like I said, it's $3.19, so shit's fucking pricey, man. Guys, just take a look at these roads. Man, I don't even have to get on it and I'm sliding around. Sheesh! This is gonna be another storm that I'm gonna have to enjoy with the Subi. So, I'm about to be pulling up to my boy Ryan's crib with the Beemer, and then we're gonna link up with my boy Jerome with the WRX, and you guys already know what's gonna happen from there. So, I can't wait. Another snowstorm. This one at least is in the day, so I don't have to worry about any lighting or anything. We don't have to find any crazy parking lots. So I'm gonna head right over to our spot and we're gonna get down and dirty. So I'll see you guys when I link up with the homies. Ryan, what are we about to get into?
All wheel or rear wheel?
I think we start with the all wheel because we know rear wheel is gonna do the damage. Mr. Jerome over here. Hello there, bud. Hell yeah. Gucci. I see you getting down though. That's second gear? Where's the second?
good behind it, but when it's in front of you, you're like, what the fuck? I can't hear nothing. Uh-oh. She's slutty.
Yo, what's going on, guys? I forgot to close out the video from yesterday, so here you go. Here's the outro. Over here in the middle of finishing editing right now. I got the homie Jasper with me. I got Bailey over here, you know, watching some South Park. Also, I did redesign my room a little bit. I moved everything around, so I got a lot more open. But I did just want to get a little outro for you guys. In the beginning of the video, I did say I was going to try and get this video up for you guys yesterday, which was Sunday. I was late. I missed my schedule upload, so I'm beating myself up over it. So I'm going to get this video up for you guys today. And then I'm going to do an extra video for you guys. So Wednesday, I'm going to give you guys the video. And then on Sunday, like usual. So instead of yesterday, which was Sunday, it's going to be going up today, Monday. So you guys are going to get a Monday, Wednesday, Sunday upload schedule this week. But with that being said, I do hope you guys like this video. I tried to get a little bit more talking clips, so it's not all just like videos of me drifting and stuff. But hey, I hope you guys enjoy. I got a couple surprises in the edit. I'm starting to learn this software, so I can do some cooler things with it now. But that's gonna be it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Also, turn on the bell notifications so you guys do know when I'm posting. And hey, that's all. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Peace.